to be very brief presenting the artist in order to give the possibility to the artist to express what they are going to do.
Sorry. Thank you, Mr. Forson. You've basically taken my speech away. He said it all. What I'd like to just quickly add is the security aspect of somebody like WISeKey. You need to protect yourselves from hackers and the platform itself. We're very privileged as WISeArt to be a part of the WISeKey system, but Carlos will talk about that this afternoon. Today, I'd like to thank Boris and Richard and the rest of the team in the room. And also Alicia Henry, who couldn't be here today, because they donated the first generative art piece and digital art piece, which we used AI as a collaboration to come up with. And basically, it was about one humanity, and it was about alliance, and it was about collaborating together with the machines, but as well between cultures, and I'm very much interested in indigenous cultures, so all that has been mixed in the brew. So we've got Richard, who's worked on poems and on literature, and he's got a whole collection of art. And here he's been working today with different words and the Human Rights Charter in all the different languages that are covered in the UN. And maybe you want to explain how you used AI to do that?
Yes, thank you for having me here. So the art piece I've done, I finished this morning live, so I'm going to it, don't worry. So I use a One Humanity mantra I took the concept, the words. I used ChatGPT as a collaborator, as an assistant to extract the word, to translate the word. And in the finish, I have like 1,000 of words in many languages, so you can see the details on the screen. And so I'm doing generative art. Generative art is art with a computer, with code. So I write code to generate a piece of art. So it's not generative AI, but I use a lot of ChatGPT. So for the content and also for the assistant for coding, like how to write like Arabic or Hindi, that is quite different for my usual language, French and English. So you can see the result and hope it will, the WISeArt Foundation will be pleased with this donation. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Richard. And then Sixtine will introduce the next artist, please.
Sorry. The next piece is done in the same way, but differently. Here we used words with Richard, and with Boris, Hervé, and Alicia, we used different colors. And the idea was that the algorithms used to create this piece, which is an animation, every time two lines cross, it changes color. In other words, consolidating whatever it is that they're representing, the cultures, the nationalities, the religions, the skin color, whatever you want to imagine or put in this piece. It's yours, basically, and it will move until at the end it creates a very beautiful mosaic. And funnily enough, because we worked with ChatGPT and the AI and different algorithms, we actually managed to reciprocate the ceiling a little bit without the intention. So there it is, you can see it on the screens. Boris, I don't know if you want to say something.
So thank you for the invitation. Sixtine talked about her work, and it's I don't have nothing to tell more because it's a rule very simple. So of course, when a line crosses another, it changes the color, and you can replicate this for a lot of things in the life. So thank you very much for.
Maybe what we can just add is that we've worked on the, it is for the United Nations, so there's